This is a meme. This is a parody. All characters are mine unless specified otherwise. Please do not watch this video if you are a child. Also, this video is not meant for children. Although the video contains characters from Dora the Explorer, but it has content that is not for any child under the age of 17. It may contain lots of very tough language, extreme violence, sexual themes, crazy action, etc. Also, this video contains racial slurs. It was not meant to offend anyone or support racism. It was meant for entertainment purposes only.
Okay class, today, we will be doing some spelling on the computer. Go to Google Chrome and go to scratch.mit.edu and look up the spelling game I made. It is okay if you get an answer wrong, but absolutely, no inappropriate words. Anyone who spells an inappropriate word will go to Principal Mr. Valentine's office to get suspended from school. Okay, let's begin.
I am gonna spell a curse word on the school's computer. I don't care what Mrs. Christina said, I will still spell a curse word. This is gonna be so funny. Ha 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 ha.
Okay class, how is everyone doing?
Good.
Dora, let me see what you are doing.
No 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 no.
Dora motherfucking Marcus, how fucking dare you spell a curse word on the spelling game? You know that word is inappropriate when I told the other students to spell them not so inappropriately, so you spelled it very inappropriately anyways. That is it. Go to the principal's office right fucking now, you fucking retarded bitch.
Oh no. Dora, why the fuck are you here in my office once again? Tell me right fucking now.
Okay, you in. I spelled the B word, which is bitch, into the spelling game by Mrs. Christina, and then she sent me to your office.
Dora, how fucking dare you spell a curse word which is bitch into the school's computer? You should know that word is inappropriate. And you can't fucking spell shit like that in school. That's it, you are suspended for 3 days. Go home right now. I don't wanna see your bitch ass ever again.
Dora the motherfucking Explorer Anastasia Marcos, how fucking dare you spell the B word which is bitch into the school's computer? You know that the B fucking word is inappropriate for school and that a 10-year-old bitchy ass girl would never spell that in school. That's it, you motherfucking Hispanic devilish slutty pussy bastard kike faggot bitch ass cockshaker cockshucking dick sucking ass nigger.
You're so fucking grounded for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 billion motherfucking centuries.
Now go to fuck your shitty hard ass moonlight fucking hell, you fucker slutty cocky pussy bastard retarded cunt shitty kike bitch. Fuck you all. I hope you get cancer. Go to hell and fucking die for child abuse. Centuries. Now go the fuck to sleep now.